Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching us today. We're at the Cloud Expo 2011 in Manhattan. On our program is Yves de Montcheuil, the VP of Marketing at Talend. Yves, how are you?
I'm very good, Rich. Thanks for having me.
So tell me a little bit about Talend.
Talend is a vendor of open source integration solutions. We have been in business for about 5 years, and we are providing solutions for integrating applications through the data or through the services layer. And we are here at Cloud Expo to launch Talend Cloud, which is the first cloud-enabled integrated unified integration platform.
And how does that help customers?
Well, it helps customers by letting them integrate their applications together regardless of where they are running. Today, I think everybody agrees that more and more companies are deploying applications in the cloud, but those applications have to work together with the applications which are deployed on-premise inside the firewall. And this is probably the biggest challenge of cloud deployment, is to get the application to interoperate with one another, regardless of where they run, regardless of the technology that is underlying those applications.
Now, in terms of your typical customers, who would they be?
Typical customers range from very large organizations. We got, for example, the top 5 banks in Manhattan as customers, all the way down to SMBs. Because the open source model is extremely attractive to those companies, it allows them to use enterprise-grade solutions that would have not been affordable for them if it was not for the open source model.
And do you go to a lot of cloud shows?
We do a lot of cloud shows and also a lot of the traditional, I would say, development or business intelligence or application integration conventions.
And what have you noticed about them? Any changes over the last couple of years?
As far as cloud, clearly we are seeing a lot of maturity. I mean, I was at this conference last year. It was probably half of what it is today. And companies are no longer experimenting or exploring. They are here to find solutions that will allow them to deploy and run their applications in the cloud.
Great. So from a competitive standpoint, what do you see in the market?
So because we come with an open source approach and a unified integration platform, there is no real competitor that does exactly what we do. We compete with very large established players such as IBM or Oracle, or companies more specialized such as IBM or TIBCO, but none of them offers really a completely integrated solutions that can be deployed in the cloud.
So what's next for the company?
Next step for the company is to start to deploy our cloud solution that we are just announcing today, to get some initial successes and to get our clients to adopt it and then take it to the next step, continue to expand their use of our solutions.
Perfect. Thanks for being on the program, Yves. This was great.
Okay, thanks, Rich.